is the prank special forces. You shouldn't even try, girls. Age and experience is what you need to win. Oh, look, Grandma's falling asleep. Aw, she's tired. Poor thing. It's time to get out of the house quietly. Shh. Be careful not to wake her up. Gotcha again. It's so great to be old. It's easy to fool old people. Fool and prank. And one granddaughter left her phone on the couch. Take a rolling pin and a broken screen protector. Attach the glass to the phone screen. Bad phone! Bad phone! You always distract my granddaughters from studying. No! Grandma, what are you doing? Not my phone! My whole life is in it! Oh, it's just a prank. How do you even know what screen protectors are? See, it's too early to bury your grandma. And while Grandma's celebrating her first win, the girls decided to get something to eat. Wow, chocolate cake. Wait, I have an idea. I think I know how to prank our dear Granny. Give me a flower. Turn the flower pot upside down and put it on the table. Throw a piece of chocolate cake on the floor. It looks exactly like dirt from the flower pot. Let's get comfortable and call Grandma to the kitchen. What are you doing here? Are you out of your mind? Are you eating soil? Granny's going to clean it up. It smells like chocolate. And it tastes like chocolate too. You fooled Grandma, you little pranksters. You learn from the best. A veggie a day keeps the doctor away. That's true. Let's start with this carrot. What if you used it to make a finger? It looks just like the real thing. Make a fingernail. Fill the piece with ketchup. Fold your finger and pour some blood on your hand. And a little bit on the knife. Now you can call for help. Oh, granddaughters, I'm completely blind. I cut off my own finger. Looks like somebody can't stand the sight of blood. All right, don't panic. Let's see what we can do. Show me your hand. Since when does your heart pump ketchup? And what's that, a carrot? At least your imagination is alive and well. This prank is obviously great. But what do we do about this weakling granddaughter? Looks like she feels better and wants to strike back. What could we do? I have an idea. Grandma was about to cook. Take a container of grain and a balloon. Inflate the balloon and tie it to the lid. Pour some rice on top and close the lid. Be sure to check. It works perfectly. Rice fireworks are ready to go. Here comes the old chef. Today, we are having rice for lunch. Oh, what's with this waste? Half a can of rice is on the floor. Oh, you did this? Well, I'll show you. It's good to have a sister. You can always find something fun to do. A pillow fight? That's a great idea. Bring it. Phew, this is exhausting. Maybe we should get some rest. The girls fell asleep, and Grandma's already anticipating a new prank. Oh, they're sleeping like little angels. Who goes to bed with loose hair? That's not okay, but Grandma's going to fix things. Grandma makes a beautiful braid from the hair. One braid for the two of them. Here's a lesson for you, granddaughters. Don't fall asleep before an experienced prankster. Well, keep sleeping. Grandma's got some other things to do. Prank makeup. Apply green eyeshadow to the skin. Tear a paper napkin apart. Crumple it and fasten it to the face. Color the paper with red acrylic paint. Darken the edges. Now, you need to tint the lips. Black lipstick is perfect for zombie makeup. beauty can be scary. Grandma sneaks up on her sleeping granddaughters. They are about to have a great wake-up call. Brains! I need brains! Oh no! We slept through the zombie apocalypse! Ah! And I think our heads are stuck together! Did we become conjoined twins? Oh no! The zombie is tickling our heels! Come on, zombie grandma! A book will help the old lady take a break. I think grandma isn't on guard. It's the perfect time for a prank. Get a mirror and an electric razor. Shaved eyebrows is a new trend, and I'm a real fashionista. The sound of the razor terrifies my grandmother. Oh, my heart! Oh no, I think I went overboard. Grandma, are you okay? Hey, I was just kidding. Wake up right now. My eyebrows are still here. Look, how can you torture an old person like that? Kids these days are so funny. They think I don't know what a printer is. And not only do I know, I even printed out some fake sockets. Cover the real sockets with furniture and glue the fake ones on next to them. Oh no! At the worst possible moment, as always! My phone's dead! Would you plug it in, please? Wait a second. I don't think you have the right plug. Actually, there's not even a socket here. Let's try another one. It's a trick too! Something tells me that all the sockets in this house are made of paper. Oh, Grandma! How did she even learn to use a printer? The granddaughters decided to join forces and use a portable speaker. Let's hide behind the couch. We can't miss this. Here comes Grandma's admirer. Flowers? That's nice. But there's more. The old bard wrote a song for our grandmother. Whoops! What's that sound? It's okay. I get it. When you're our age, it happens. But this is a little much. I'd better sit over here. What? Again? No, I can't handle this. I'll come over later. Grandma, did you like our little prank? We bet you loved the fart sounds from our speaker. Oh no! You scared away such an eligible bachelor. I can't have a personal life with granddaughters like these. Grandma had a bag of holly powder paint left after a festival. Purple, just like the color of this towel. Pour the dye on the fabric. Hey, Grandma, what are you doing? Nothing, honey. I'm just leaving. There's got to be a catch. Where? Where? I think it's all good. I can wash my face in peace. Oh, that's terrible. Who am I? Barney? Or maybe the lumpy space princess? Will this even wash out? Grandma, we need to talk. Fish! Judging by the smell, it's a little past good. You can't eat it, but it's good for a prank. Put a fishing line with a hook on the cupboard door. Hang up the fish. Put it on the shelf and carefully close the door. Ew! What's that smell? Grandma won't be long. Where's my secret ingredient? In the cupboard, maybe? Oh my gosh! I got slapped by a fish! Oh, the smell! Yikes! I'll get you back for this one! Kids these days don't notice anything, which is great news for me. Take some gelatin and a rubber glove. Mix the gelatin with water. Put the jelly in the glove. Tie it up. Put on a fabric glove on top. Let's begin. Oh, sweetie, Grandma's not feeling well. Help me get up. Ah, what happened to your hand? Ha! Gotcha! Granny, what's all this nonsense? Ugh! I was about to die of fear. What did you expect? Don't relax, granddaughter. Oh, the vanity table is a mess again. I'm going to have to teach my granddaughters to organize their makeup brushes. Grandma has a spicy idea for this situation. She sprinkles the brush with ground pepper. This should work. Achoo! Here comes the first victim. I'll powder my nose and then I'll be ready. There we go. Wait, why is it burning? And where did these scary spots come from? Am I allergic to makeup? Did my worst nightmare come true? Achoo! Oh my gosh, what a disaster! I'm never wearing makeup again! Did you enjoy our funny grandma pranks? Which one of our pranks made you laugh the most? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. And don't forget to call your grandmother and tell her how much you love her. Love to all the grandmothers of the world from Troom Select.